Today on the workbench I have a D-Link router that won't power up. First things first, and let's check the power supply. And I have the 5 volts, so that's the first thing. First thing's been eliminated, so let's pull this thing apart and see what happens. I have pulled the circuit board out of it, and I'm going to trace through the voltage and see if it's something simple like a power jack or switch that's lost connection. So let's plug it in and let's take some multimeter readings. Okay, so now I'm just going to check the pins right at the jack. And I'm showing nothing there, nothing there. So now, and I got nothing at any of the, oh, there's my 5 volts. It's there and it's gone. And it's there and it's gone again. Could it just be that it's just a power? It's just the power jack that's not making contact? I'll clean it and let's find out. So after scraping out the insides of the power jack, I'll take another measurement. And now I've got a consistent 5 volts coming out of the power pins. So let's hit the power switch, see if anything happens. So after hitting the power switch, the LEDs are dead. So it's not just a power supply, there's something beyond that. So I'll take a few more measurements and see if we have anything anywhere else. Okay. I still have 5 volts at the plug. So at the power switch, I got 5 volts going in that side of the power switch. Flip it on. Yep, I still got my 5 volts coming out of the power switch. So this thing, it's probably CPU's dead, so it's probably headed for an EOL. So here's how we're going to have some fun EOLing this D-Link router. I took the 5 electrolytic capacitors and I wired them in parallel. So these capacitors that normally are built to withstand 10 volts are going to get the 122 volts my power company sends to my wall outlets. Oh. Oh.